like my lighting is way better. So guess what? Your girl have a ring light now. So I have a ring light now. I have a ring light. It's not big and I love it. So this is one of the gifts I got, and this one thing like I've been dying for. Like this munsa ki ba wana li te kone like Shino. Yo, like you see me? I know you see the glow if you're not hating or whatever. But anyways, I know you're haters. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube. No. Bonjour, bonsoir à tout le monde. Ça va le dépendre à regarder vidéo. Vidéo aujourd'hui, c'est pas un vlog, c'est pas rien. C'est juste je vais montrer nous ça moi joindre pour my 18th birthday. So pour ça me joindre dans 18 l'année. OK? Pour 18 ans. Okay, so video aujourd'hui, like I'm excited. I feel so excited. I'm 18, whatever. So yeah, nous connaissons déjà. Fête moi c'était 17 octobre, so yeah, m'pas vle faire vidéo and ça fait me prendre le temps comme ça. So and then too, so Instagram ou ka wè kado mte jwen yo tou. Si ou poko follow me sur Instagram mwen se Chamatot Instagram. Nem mette l'en bas là pour nous. Al follow m kounya. Et si ou poko abonné, c'est un bon moment pour tout faire ça. Faites ti cloche notification à chaque fois que vidéo. C'est le premier monde qui vous joigne. Pas oublier faites des petits oreilles yo. Même j'ai fait oreilles par ou. Même la vidéo. Pour l'occasion. So m'pa di plus que ça en était dans vidéo. Alright, so m'pa konnen pour à qui ça moi doit start. So m'a commencer avec PPT. Alors. So first thing, that's the smallest. So m'a commencer avec ce PPT ça. Ça c'est une chaîne, okay? So nous capable bien avec chaîne là. C'est une chaîne. Like, m'te toujours besoin chaîne qui gagne nom et photo là. So, I know you all can't see it. M'a mette une photo là pour nous pour montrer nos chaîne là. Okay. M'pas comme besoin dire non monde qui va regarder. So, that's a necklace. C'est une chaîne qui gagne full nom and a picture of me. Like, favorite picture. I don't know if you can see it or not. So yeah, that's one gift. And the other gift is a perfume. See one parfum. Like parfum smells so good. Like whoa. Jesus. So yes, I some perfume. A little small, but I promise you. Small and it smells good. It's small and it smells good. It smells so good. Yep. Ça c'est une cadeau. Ça c'était un parfum. Thank you. And the third thing, troisième magasin, c'est un caméra. Et si tu regardes les vidéos, ça me dit qui ça m'a voulu pour birthday moi. Au cas où ça c'était une bagay moi te souhaité game pour birthday moi. So yes, the camera, like caméra ça quand on fait photo de pour gain films yo quand on fait photo et tout bon photo là like y'all see me. I know you see me. You see, so li va la. Li va gen films pour photo sorti. So yeah, I've been dying for it. So thank you. Let me stop. So, ok. So, je vais une carte avec l'argent. My sis gave this to me. Yeah, so I pretty much got cards. You're thinking l'argent, I know, so yeah. And the third thing I got, it's a bag. No, third, fourth, quatrième. C'est un bag. It's MK, baby. You see me? Like, you see me? Oh no, guys, I be loving all black and white. I be all black. So, with shoes, with Nike shoes. So it's pink. Mettez déjà brand new. De mettez l'enfoir, you know. Ça peut aussi me mourir, mais hold up, ça va pas vrai, non, but you never know. You never know. So yeah. Ça marche à ça. And the other thing I got, so ça marche à ça. It's a perfume encore, c'est un parfum. Parfum ça a vraiment senti bon, and it has a gel douche. So it smells so good, and I got it with another thing. So we're for it. Don't skip this video, please. Do not skip it. Like this perfumes, I can't describe the smell, but all I know is that it smells so good. And it's sexy for her. You know I'm sexy. Okay, let me stop. So yeah, I can't describe the smell, but it's just. Oh. And then you have like forever boots. Alright, so what's that? It is so pretty. Like, let me do le soir. Like, avec un noir, tout le noir, and blah blah blah. Like, I was just saying, like, imagine me enter to your party like this. Just imagine. I mean, not a party, but like a cookout. Like, oh shit. Okay, let me stop. But you see me, dog. You see me. I know you see me. So, thank you, my love. Yes. So, and like I said, so the games to Instagram, you seen them well déjà. So, yeah. Ça fait ma tout profiter nous. Allez follow me sur Instagram, sur my games to Instagram, because that's where I post. I post a lot. Pas pile, but you know when I say a lot. You in my business. Don't do that. Just don't do that. Alright, so look back at me journal call. Sur le parfum. Like this perfume is special. Anyways, anyhow, let me show you guys. I hope we got fall, but like, I just love the set. I don't know, but you feel me, the little thing. Like the little thing over here, like, Perfume smells so good. It smells like flower. Like, y'all know these little pink flowers and shit. So yeah, it smells like flowers. And then, oh, so my bliye. So another thing I received, like y'all can notice that my lighting is better. Like y'all can see, like my lighting is way better. So guess what? Your girl have a ring light now. So I have a ring light now. I have a ring light. It's not big and I love it. So this is one of the gifts I got, and this one thing like I've been dying for. Like this munsa ki ba na li te kone, like she knew it and she got me it. I want it, I got it. I want it, I got it. I want it, I got it. Don't mind this, baby. Like, oh, anyways, anyhow, top is like some banner. Anyways, so yeah, like you see me. I know you see the glow if you're not hating or whatever. But anyways, I know you're haters. Let me stop. So this is the ring light. This is one of my best gifts. So to be honest, everything that I ever wanted for my birthday, I got them so far. And we got this Nike shoes. Like, I don't know since when I've been dying to get one of these shoes. Like, suited with my Christmas wish list. Like, at the end of this video, link style. So my wish list birthday gifts in my Christmas wish list, like no video. So I wanted this so bad. Don't get me wrong, like they old and I don't care. I wanted them so bad. So yeah, I got them. They clean and fresh. They are clean and fresh. Anyways. So the thing, like, I have two more things to show you guys. They big. So I'm back on which one to pick first. Okay. So y'all see it? Y'all see me? Like I said, I have been wanting these boots so bad too. Like, j'ai besoin de boots ça longtemps. Like, you see these little flowers? They just give me like a girly vibes. And it feels so comfortable. Oh my god, like I want to cry. It feels so comfortable. Imagine me being outside in a windy, in a cold day, and I have my boots on. It's like, y'all. Anyways, anyhow, anywho, I got them. I want it, I got it. And I want it, I got it. Yeah. Like when I say I really wanted these boots, I really. So the last thing that I had to show you guys, it's a box. C'est une boîte I received. On va le recevoir. And guess what? When I open it, let's see. Y'all see me? I know you see me. Let me come closer. Let's open it. So first off, we got this. We got this. Imagine me coming to your dinner, like, with my bag, like, just imagine. Anyways, that'll never happen. And you got a lotion. To be honest, I do not like the smell of this lotion. It's like, yeah, it sent. C'est comme si lotion n'a pas sent. But the perfume though, y'all ladies need to check these perfumes out. Y'all need to check these out. Like, I don't know. Mine sent. Comme de la sent. Anyways, bien tes blush. Crème n'a pas sent. But the perfume, I am dying. I am dying for the smell. It is cute. The perfume itself, it's cute. Like this little flower thing in it. It's just so cute. It's cute. Like, it's just cute. I don't know, but for me, I found it cute. It smells so good. It smells so good, so freaking good. I don't know how, but it smells good. I don't know how the lotion does smell that good. Imagine the lotion and the perfume smelling this good. When I enter to your party, I'll kill it. Let me stop playing. Just imagine me coming to your party with this Victoria smell on me. Your man will fall in love. Your man will fall in love with me. Anyways, let's put it back. Oh my god. I just noticed this video ça get plus que 20 minutes. No, let's cut it out. So guys, c'était tout bagaille moi t'es jeune pour 18 l'année. Guess what? I'm 18 now. Ooh, a girl is 18. Like, I've been 18 since October 17. Oh my god, I almost forgot my birthday. I was about to say October 16. Shoot. Anyway, so yeah, I'm 18 now, and this is what I got for my 18th birthday. And so pourquoi abonner, pas oublier abonner kounya. Et puis tout, like video ça. Pas oublier comment. Sorry guys, somebody called me. So yeah, what I was saying, don't forget to like this video, comment, and if you have not subscribed yet, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully I'll get Shama pour faire video avec. So stay tuned. So we got more coming up, and don't forget Shama's birthday is loading December the 30th. So hopefully I will be here, and I don't know yet. So anyways, this is all for today. I hope you liked it and enjoyed, or I don't know, whatever. Bye. Bye, guys. Love y'all. Oh my god, like, the last perfume smells so good, like I can't even get over it. Mon ki fèm sa fèm un gros mal. But let me film myself a little though. I am obsessed with this lighting. All natural. Anyways, guys, bye. I hope you enjoyed. Oh, holy crap. Bye.